Hey everyone, if you've installed Rclone and want to connect it to your cloud storage accounts, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Rclone is installed on your computer. You can verify the installation by opening a terminal or command prompt and checking that Rclone runs correctly. Once Rclone is installed, open a terminal window and start the configuration wizard. The wizard is the easiest way to create and manage cloud storage connections, which Rclone calls remotes. When the configuration menu appears, choose the option to create a new remote. Next, enter a name for the remote. This can be any descriptive name that helps you identify the storage service later, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or backup storage. After naming the remote, Rclone will display a list of supported cloud storage providers. Select the provider you want to connect. Rclone supports a wide range of services, including Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, Box, Mega, and many others. Once you choose a provider, Rclone will guide you through the required authentication process. Depending on the service, you may be asked to open a web browser, sign in to your account, and grant Rclone permission to access your storage. Follow the authorization steps carefully and return to the terminal when prompted. And that's how to configure Rclone in 2026. With properly configured remotes, you can manage multiple cloud storage services efficiently from a single command line tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.